Hey, welcome back. We're just going to talk about filters here. Okay, so we got a dirty cabin filter here, and we got a clean cabin filter. Typically, our interval for replacing cabin filters is once a year or 24,000 kilometers. I don't have an engine filter that's dirty on hand right now, but it's very much the same concept, okay? It's the filter for your engine, filtering all the air that comes in from the outside, going into the engine. The interval on our engine air filters is once every 6 months or 12,000 kilometers. We do tend to call them before those service intervals, depending on where you're driving conditions, whether it's dusty or not. A lot of the cabin filters end up getting clogged before the interval, just due to the leaves and dust. Also, rodents getting in, all their nesting ends up on this cabin filter, and then we pull it out, clean it, and install a new one for you. Thank you very much.